Here's an interesting app which is called Klover Instant Cash Advance. So let's just go through it. As you can see, it has 76,000 reviews so far. And yeah, so this is the kind of app you need to use if you want some extra cash, like small amounts of cash quickly. There are a bunch of apps like that on the App Store. Yeah, and also of course you should be always careful with this kind of apps. Just double check what you are doing. Yeah, because there aren't free money out there, so just always be careful. But in case you are waiting for your salary and you need some like extra $100 fast to pay for a gas or for some bill, this is the kind of app you can try to use. So need some extra cash. Klover gives you $100 instant cash advance before you get paid. No credit back, no interest, no hidden fees, no payback period. Klover is the first cash app to give you access to your earnings early. Just use Klover for all of your rainy day money needs. Simple sign up. Sign up in seconds. Data opt in. Your data is your asset. Opt into our Truth in Data agreement. Gets instant cash and tools. Whether you're taking cash advance or checking your budget, Klover has your back. So that's done, and then you can just open up the app. You can allow notifications or not. And then yeah, you can get approved for up to $100. So use points to get up to $30. So obviously these are not thousands of dollars, but of course, yeah, these are kind of apps you have, and they can't allow you to like easily borrow thousands of dollars. And then basically you can create an account here.